Okay, so we've got a new motor in this Jeep. The guy that sold me the motor said that it had a lifter tick. Put the motor in, it had a real bad racket, so we put a new exhaust gasket on it, and this is what it sounds like now. Believe it's a couple lifters, but we're not quite sure yet. We're gonna probably pull the head tomorrow and put all new lifters in it and see what happens. But here's a startup and let you hear what it sounds like. When you rev it up, it actually rattles even more. We've eliminated that it's the bottom end. It's definitely in the top end. So we're going to put new lifters in it and see what happens.